Today, we are discussing an essential aspect of data management, importing and exporting data in PostgreSQL. First, let's talk about why this process is pretty important. The main reasons are data migration, backing up, and recovery. These are crucial in environments where data needs to be moved between different systems or restored after a failure. Now, onto the how. We typically use the copy command in PostgreSQL to handle this, and there are 3 key steps involved. First, you need to prepare your data file. Make sure the data file is in the right format, often a CSV file. Next, you need to set up the target table in PostgreSQL. Here, we just create a table that matches the data structure. This is pretty important. Third, we use the copy command to import data. We use copy to bring the data into our PostgreSQL table. Now, let's see the example. First, we can see we create a table with 4 rows, row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. All of them are integer types. Then, we have an example CSV file in my data D. Then, we just use the copy command to pull the data from the example CSV file into the table. Next, you can use the view and all data to see how it works. Lastly, let's cover some common issues you might face. First is the permission issue. Sometimes PostgreSQL doesn't have permission to access the file, especially if it's on the C drive, so please play the file on a different drive to avoid this. The second problem is data mismatch. Ensuring your data type align with the table structure. Tools or scripts can be useful here to validate data types and constraints before importing. In other words, exporting data is almost in the same process. We just first create a CSV file in Excel and then use copy command to export data from the PostgreSQL to the CSV file. Conclusion: importing and exporting data can streamline data migration and backup process, and avoiding common pitfalls, ensuring a smooth experience.